How to add photo in home screen Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can add photo in home screen Android. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is you have to head over to your empty home screen, tap and hold on one of the empty space. From here, head over to Widgets. So once you land on this interface, scroll through it and search for gallery or photos. Tap on it. Now you have to select one from here. So choose according to your preferred choice, tap on it, and you have to drag and hold and move this widget on your home screen. Once you move it and place it, that's gonna ask you for your account from where you want to add the picture. Once you select your account, make sure that you are signed in with your preferred account. Then you'll be prompted to choose a photo. Select your preferred photo and then the image will be added into your home screen. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.